Hello, welcome to video 6 of our database video series. This is going to be a second look at reports. Wanted to split the report one up into two because it's quite a big section. Now, last video we created a report using our bands in the central belt query, and we're going to do the same again here. So we're going to go for our report wizard. We're going to go for select direct query. We're going to put everything across. Except type of events this time. I'm going to take that out for this particular example. Now this time what I'm going to do is show you what happens when we group it by a particular heading. So when we group it, it puts down to the top, and that will create essentially subheadings in your report. I'm also going to sort it in descending order of price per hour, so that I can show you what I mentioned in the previous task about it moving the column that you've sorted it by to the left. So I'm just going to do it as a stepped layout. I'm going to leave it as bands in the central belt. I'm going to call it grouped this time just so we know it's a different one, and we'll preview the report when it finishes. So zooming out just so that we can see the full thing. You can see what it's done here on the left is it's got town, Edinburgh, then it has the bands and the price per hour, and then Glasgow, and it's got the bands and the price per hour. And you'll notice that instead of band name being on the left, it's now the price per hour on the left. So again, that is why it's good to sort it in the query ahead of time, because it resolves issues like that, because you want band to be over here and price to be over here. It's more logical. The band would be the furthest left field. Again though, if you do that and it doesn't quite look right, it's easy enough to use your layout view to just move that along, and then you can use your layout view again to move this all the way to the left. And again, band member numbers seems to be the problem field, and you will notice that on certain topics that there are fields that just cause problems. Like you can even see the length of that there was causing a problem with price per hour, but now we can move that along, and we can bring this, extend this to see how much space we need. Band members 3, then let's move that across. Okay, so that's how you would deal with that. So that's just wanted to take a video to show what happens when you sorted it as part of the report wizard, and show you what happens when you group it. Okay, hopefully that's given you an insight.